Alright, good morning everybody. Sorry being a little bit late. My microphone arm is kinda weak. Lost its strength. Anyway, buying euro yen, but this is a very small triangle. Not small, but it's getting smaller, let's put it that way. So I'm not so sure this is actually gonna break out to the upside or not. I need to figure that out. It looks interesting, kind of bullish, but that could be it. That could be actually tested here the high, and now it's pulling back. So this is not 100%. Yeah, on the daily, it tested the high already. So that's a very clear. That's a strong sign that it's actually gonna go down instead of up. The next level is like almost 300 pips. I don't think this is gonna happen. So I'm probably gonna rethink that one and maybe exit just at the resistance line here. But I'm not so sure about that. I need to start the day here.
DAX, Nasdaq.
Yeah, I hope the dollar is going up, by the way. That would be in my favor. Actually, I was thinking about buying Aussie yen as before. I have some feeling about that. This feels like I don't know. This is just gonna be a double top on the daily, and we're gonna go down from here. But like I said, I'm not 100% sure about it.
Order pending. Order filled.
Euro yen.
Order pending.
NASDAQ, Aussie yen,
Good morning, morning.
Morning. I'm about to get stopped out on Euro yen.
Aussie yen, eh? I mean euro yen.
Euro yen, and I just noticed after I entered the trade that Euro yen actually hit high on the daily, so this could be a double top, and we're gonna go straight down now. If you put on the daily on Euro yen with about 2 million candles, you're gonna find another high.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, poke the 2008 high, 18 high.
Yeah, 2018, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man. Well, I mean, today's been, yesterday, quite a bit of momentum.
Yeah, but it tested it to the pip. That's kinda scary. But if you look even further behind, like October 2018, the price was higher, so the next level is gonna be about 300-ish pips higher. So
Order
yeah, but I don't
filled.
think this is gonna happen today.
DEX,
Looks more like I'm gonna get stopped out in a minute. My stop is actually below the most recent low on the 3 minute. So basically, if the pivot not holds, I declare the trade has failed, even if it's still in structure. The structure is actually
Euro yen,
it's went 30 down from the VWAP and 31 up, so this is like a 1-to-1 anyway.
$30 down from the VWAP. I see that as like 23 down from the VWAP. Maybe
Yeah,
this
it's a
one.
triangle kind of thing. Let me just make a photo. Put it in voice context.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I was drawing the trend line from
As you can see, my
Monday.
stop is actually inside that range, which is really dumb.
I don't know, Swing, you always seem to manage to get out of it scot-free.
I wake up a little bit later and okay, I have to put on a trade. Let's just put on some trade, and I saw that let's just buy it here. All right, and if it makes any other, I'm gonna stop it out, whatever.
Yeah,
If I would hedge
you
it.
literally just woke up.
Yeah, it's too small for a hedge. That's the problem. Yeah, I could actually do even smaller structure, like connecting the lows like this, but then it would be already broken out, and I would need to hedge it now. But with that being said, I could actually just hedge it below the pivot. So okay, if it breaks the pivot, that's not gonna fly anymore. It's actually a good idea, and then just close the position at the support for pretty much break even. Let's see what the majors do. It's VWAP time anyway. Aussie dollar and pound is at the VWAP right now.
Cable. Aussie dollar.
I'm just gonna take the loss. Euro just bounced off VWAP. Let's just scale in one more time. One last time.
Order filled.
Aussie dollar. Cable.
Yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna stop it out. I don't wanna make me the headache of hedging now in that small range. Would need to hedge it right now, and it still could go up. We holds on the euro, especially. Actually, I could just buy cable. Yeah. A quick look at
Yeah,
cable.
Aussie yen is about to break structure.
Oh, this looks actually really nice.
Order filled.
Yeah, buying cable to the pivot. Wow, I had 2 dots on quick buy. I hope that works. Gonna hurt if not.
Cable.
I know it's not the perfect trade.
No, I'm just drawing it up.
Stock filled.
Oh, that was quick. It's got ran over on euro yen.
Yeah, that's not the best look. Nikkei is selling off.
Come on, cable, I need my money back. Stop out was actually pretty expensive. Didn't had slip. Oh, a little bit, like, oh, 1.5 pips. Damn it, slippage is huge these days.
Order filled.
In fixed income, the gap between 2 and 10-year US Treasury yields narrows to the smallest since March 2020.
Oh shit, so yield curve inversion.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna re-enter the stop below the low, just for the fun of it. What did you say about yield?
The Morbo just said that the difference between the 10 and 2-year bond, the American 10 and 2-year bond, has reached the lowest level since 2020.
Yeah, about 2 years, that's not very significant. If the 10 years would have something like that, we should start to worry.
But like, okay, the US 10-year minus the US 2-year. So this is the lowest level it's been since the pandemic. And,
Order filled.
yeah, it's about to invert, which means yield curve inversion, which means very bad. I think. It means a recession is supposed to come within 6 months.
Well, basically we are in a recession since 2 years already, or 3 years. Just nobody have realized it.
True. Joke's on them. Actually, I'll post this in trading room.
Like in the 90s, when all this freedom shit went on, they had actually a slogan in Germany. It was going like this. I mean, this translated like, imagine it's war and nobody participates. That's how the financial markets are actually currently. Like, everything is going to shit, but nobody cares. Business as usual.
Oh, people were saying that back then as well. So, because right now it feels like everything's going to shit, but no one cares. So I guess, like, at least this isn't the first time.
Yeah, but back then it was about conflicts in the East and stuff like that. But yeah, but the ideology was the same. Yeah, but people were actually aware of that. That's why they said stuff like that. Like, imagine it is like that, and nobody gives a shit.
That's fair enough, man. Always look on the bright side, eh?
And no, it's actually a very dark thing, but the same thing's happening right now. The financial markets.
Yeah. I don't know. Like, it feels like everything's going to end in tears kind of thing pretty soon. But I don't know what the move is.
Yep. Pretty sure.
Yep.
Pretty much guaranteed, let's put it that way. And make a mere double loss Urian. I just re-entered Urian, by the way, but to stop below the low.
Oh, that could work. Yeah. Respond to sudden, like, yeah, I'm doing more and more what you're doing, where, like, when I see a sudden sell-off, then I want to buy. Just for retrace.
Yeah, that's why I did it. It went down pretty quickly. I was just looking at the cable and then boom, it went down. Didn't even see, that was really fast. But like I said, if that actually tested a high on the daily, and then this is gonna go down for quite a bit. Then let's just map some better structure like this. Then this will be actually a very nice short for about 115 pips. And if I would have shorted it at the VWAP, I would have 30 pip. Oh, this is actually not really a massive trade. This is why I don't swing trade. Like I trade off the VWAP, I have a 1 to 3 in like 10 minutes, and then I look up for a swing. Oh, this looks really wide, and then you look at it, and it's just 1 to 2 or something like that, and it's probably gonna take all week. And Biden says something tomorrow, and it's gonna fuck it up.
Biden fuck things up? Never.
Yeah, right. Never, ever.
Do you have any thoughts on the Nikkei? Because zooming, like, on the 15-minute it looks okay, but zooming out it doesn't look good at all. I'm kind of stuck for ideas.
Yeah, it's not a good price to be in. I see what you mean. For our resistance too. What is that? I'm just eyeballing here. Hold on a second. Yeah, for our resistance.
Yeah.
That will be actually pretty bad for my euro yen. Stop finding shit like that.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Sit on my hands.
The DAX doesn't look very pretty either.
Yeah, the DAX looks like it wants to range. At least come down a little bit.
Order filled.
I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm overzealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game. what's going on. I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want 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 it.
Oh, I need another coffee.
I get jealous, I get down. Running to the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it.
Order pending.
Talk about it. Gotta know they want it. Talk about it.
Order pending.
Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want 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 it. Gotta know they
Yeah, the indices don't look very good. I should not have re-entered the euro yen.
gotta know they want it.
Anyway, back in like 15 seconds.
Order cancelled.
Bitcoin.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, the Nikkei is gonna push me over the stop loss. There we go.
Stop filled.
In fixed income, the Bank of Japan says the fixed rate operation has a take up of 242.6 billion yen.
Nasdaq.
Oh, come on, Urian. Really made a new low and right back up. Let's see if the pound trade works out. But cat is still on the way down. That looks not too bad.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly
Nasdaq. Nasdaq.
My trading computer is starting to fuck around early today. Sorry, my streaming computer.
High offers a total of 140 billion yuan of tax cuts for companies this year.
Aussie dollar. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Aussie dollar.
So what are we up to? I'm restraining myself from scaling into pound trade.
I'm watching crude oil, seeing what it does on the VWAP. But yeah, I'm out of ideas. Try not to lose money.
Looks downish, but it's at the 200 moving average on the 4 hour.
Well, crude.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, well, put it in voice contact.
Oh, that too. I didn't even notice that.
But I'm thinking of trying to touch the upper trend line, but I don't know if this is going to be the wave or if it wants to go down a little bit further.
The VWAP at 50%.
Yeah. Just.
I'm not sure either. At least cable goes up, but I have no size on just 2 lots.
Just.
I had 11 on Euro yen and got stopped out twice.
Ah, that sucks. Is Euro yen completely invalidated?
No.
Yeah. No? Okay. Oh yeah, weird. Yeah, I need to put it on that trend line.
It just broke the low and went back up, so this could be a fake. I hope it is, because like I said, I'm basically selling the dollar. The Nasdaq just went over the VWAP. Casual scalp on euro yen, it cost me $650.
NASDAQ.
Yeah, US tech is difficult to figure out. Hasn't been moving much at all this morning. What? It's weird. A lot of these big moves have been happening like at the end of the American session.
NASDAQ.
Yeah, that's pretty much normal. That's the downside when you trade, when you not trade base markets, I guess.
Yeah, I never noticed that because I like never trade the American session that much, but
Yeah, me neither. It's just too much random price action, and the ATR is so much larger.
Oil bounces off the VWAP nicely, but I'm still skeptical or hesitant.
And it looks like cable is gonna give me the finger in a minute.
Aussie dollar.
DAX went green, but it looks like the Aussie dollar is not on my side.
NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Aussie dollar.
What the music is that? That's terrible. Yeah, I agree with Spec. Looks like the US dollar is gonna pick up some strength in a minute. Not so convinced about my pound buy either. Yeah.
Aussie dollar.
10 minutes now until the results for the 40-year JGB auction.
Nasdaq. Cable.
Order filled.
Guess today's not my day.
Say again?
I guess today's not my day.
Yeah, today's not my day either. Or not much is fucking happening. I'm thinking of maybe giving it like giving it an hour. Ah, cable. Yeah, cable is looking a little bit annoying.
The Aussie dollar went below already. That doesn't look pretty at all. Gold is at the wave up. Well, the Aussie dollar is definitely in a hurry.
Yep, yeah, Spec knows what he's talking about.
They made
It's
a
still-
higher
it
low,
doesn't feel
but
like
what does that mean?
I think range, but like with a bias to the downside, maybe. I would still buy maybe Aussie yen if it gets too low, because just I would catch a retrace maybe, but yeah, right now I have no idea what's going on.
There is too much momentum. My pound buy is gonna go bad in a minute, for sure. Last chance. Euro just had to be up.
Euro dollar. Cable.
Bid cover of 2.19 for the 40-year auction. Accepted at the lowest price of 77.6%. And the highest yield was 1.0950%.
Cable.
Order filled.
Euro dollar.
Order filled.
Euro dollar.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Even if you don't know it. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Euro dollar.
In Japanese fixed income, the yield on the 5-year JGB is the highest since September 2015. This comes after the Bank of Japan makes its second offer today to buy unlimited amounts of 10-year JGBs at 0.25%.
Did you ever know somebody who slipped away and left the city? I'm just here to tell my story and let you know this shit ain't pretty. Take my word and make it a turn. If my tale sounds just like your girl, before you know it, she will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You asking what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why? It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is. Why? I'm just here to tell you, it is what it is. There's no running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it.
Order filled.
You with no words of reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard, but you can fake it. Yeah, just fake it till you make it. Before you know it, you'll forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clear. You asking what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? You asking what you did and how to fix it. Why? You try to find a way and get forgiveness. Why? Search for pain is closer an addiction. Why? So I'm just here to tell you, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Euro dollar. Euro dollar.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need to stop. Yeah, I can't wait to hit that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Oh, everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party.
Yeah, I have no idea what to do right now. I'm thinking maybe fade the yen move at some point, but yeah, I don't see anything interesting.
Yeah, I had a similar idea, but I'm already buying cable, so yeah, I'm not so sure that's a good idea. It's gonna double my risk against the US dollar.
Yeah.
Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
Glad I didn't buy oil. Okay, so that's one thing that's going to be on my radar, is if we get down to like, I don't know, 105.5 or 0.6, then I'll start thinking about taking a long. Yeah, nothing, I hate these days. Nothing really going on.
This is a reminder. Hang Seng Lunch in 5. This is a reminder. Hang Seng Lunch in 5.
Gold.
Well, the euro did react nicely, but pound went actually, it's all in structure anyway. Just have to wait it out, I guess. Oh, something is happening.
Yeah, I noticed that. A few of my alerts just went off. Let's see.
But the yen pairs are still going down.
Swing. Fucking USD ruble is at 80 now. That would have been another trade of the century. I think this might be, I don't know, probably related to the China lockdown.
to supply 2 trillion yen on securities at all offices.
I'm gonna put that in hold on my beer.
Could be Bank of Japan action. So they're trying to defend a key rate by doing lots of basically quantitative marbles racing.
Governor Kuroda says in promoting new combinations of data in a way that consumers feel comfortable, it's extremely important to pay attention to detail of privacy. Says we need to be aware that data monetary policy can inhibit the competition and innovation and ultimately have a negative impact on consumer benefits.
NASDAQ.
You know what, man? Like, I think on the weekend, a few beers, that would be a brilliant activity for everyone to bet on.
Has no plan to issue a CBDC,
Especially with a moderator like this.
thoroughly to respond to changes in circumstances in an appropriate manner.
Yeah, this moderator is actually really good. They have seasons of this? Fuck yeah.
But nobody is better than Aussie man.
Then who? Aussie Yen?
I put it in hold on my beer.
Dude, I'm watching live marble racing between Cameroon and Korean Republic. Korea R. Oh, Cameroon just beat Korea. Dude, people are actually really into this. Oh, I know this guy. I haven't seen this one though. Choose your favorite round, wanker.
Yeah, Aussie man is the best on moderating on shit.
Yeah, I completely lost touch with Aussie man. I remember seeing like one fucking thing about like what was it? Some guy who like trained a bird to race, and then he just died as soon as he kind of released the bird to race it. It just got hit by a car. It was like, yeah, tragic, but just hilarious. Fuck, he's got a load of new movies. Okay, yeah, resubscribe. And marbles racing, eh? That's no bad. What would be fun though is like drone racing. If you could like I don't know, bet on drone racing, that would be really fun.
So is that happening or is that happening with cable?
Where's your target on cable? R1 or something?
Maybe just a pivot, I'm not so sure yet.
Oh yeah.
I'm
okay,
kinda
just-
confused myself too.
Yeah, man, I always get into like shit positions and like fuck myself over when I just jump on trades I don't see.
Aussie dollar. Nasdaq. DAX. DAX. Aussie dollar. DAX. Nasdaq, DAX, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar.
I'm getting it lately, a lot of bad vibes. I'm seeing it lately, all bad signs. I'm feeling unweary, got a feeling we are lost. Won't somebody tell me what went wrong? Won't somebody tell me what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost. I'm ready to learn, yeah, to learn. So baby, what in the world went wrong? Oh, how could we get this far from what we had? Why did we lose that hope? So what in the world went wrong? I wasn't ready to face that song. I couldn't
Aussie
take
dollar.
it all alone, but we're all survivors. Gotta soldier on, stay strong. Won't somebody tell me what went wrong? Won't somebody tell me what is gone? Won't somebody show me 'cause I'm lost. I'm ready to learn, yeah, to learn.
Aussie dollar. Nasdaq.
Sorry, I was a little bit out
Oh, yeah.
on the phone.
Howdy. Oh, that's alright. Everyone's got a life too.
Yeah, I tried to some working company, some bank services, and I tried for 30 minutes to give him my email address, and then I gave up because he cannot put my first name and my last name together and put .de at the end. It seems to be too confusing.
Yeah, I can see how.
Because I'm not so sure they are genuine, so I just said, you have my records here, you know my name, just take my first name, put an @ symbol there, then put my last name and put .de at the end, and that's my email address. And he kept asking, and then at gmail.com. No, I just told you what to do. What the fuck?
Oh my god, yeah, that's bad. Looks like a very slow afternoon.
Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on cable in a minute.
Oh, you're trading cable. That was the only one that actually stood out at me. I feel like it's like you could go for a VWAP bounce now, long.
Yeah, that would be nice because I'm long.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's the only thing I'm seeing
Order
that
filled.
I would take, but I'm not, like, it's not saying it by me. It's the only thing I'm sort of thinking of. But it's just, it's going sideways. It's sort of not really, yeah. It'll probably just go either side of the VWAP.
Oh, wow, he sent me an email. I can't believe it.
NASDAQ.
I got it right.
Managed it.
Even euro dollar, like it's the same sort of thing. Like it's sort of bouncing off of a resistance as it's making lower highs. But it's not a very nice place to do anything with it either. I don't even want to look at dollar CAD today, it just pisses me off.
I'm in a maximum risk, but the stop is below the low, so yeah, whatever. Actually was thinking, like, let me just put a trend line on cable, on the 3-minute chart. And when it hits the VWAP, I just go full size, stop below the recent low. But no, I just added 10k just now, that's it.
Yeah, I'll stay out of that one for now. Oh, even Euro Aussies. Oh no, that's fuck wrong size. Yeah, even Euro Aussie, that could be going back up to start forming, like on a larger time frame, a bit of a range, because we do have a low and a high now.
Hold on a second, somebody's at the door.
Stay with me if you wanna. Stay with me if you wanna. Stay with me if you wanna.
Aussie dollar.
Mail. Oh, seriously, this is like never ending today.
Order filled.
Holy crap, what a burst. It actually looks pretty good on cable and on the euro.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm assuming there was bad news last
Yeah, I'm gonna do what I just said anyway.
dollar.
It's probably a bad idea though.
We got Euro news in an hour, German consumer confidence, it's high volatility. And we got Euro news 2 hours for Spain, which is high volatility, and Austria. PMI and retail sales. So Euro might do something today.
I know, I'm thinking more about like right now. I want to move the stop app so I can add some size.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with that one. It's a good place to long it. So I'll stay out of it so it goes up for you.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna trade this reverse so we just stop
filled.
below the low. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Wait, Euro yen is going straight back up.
We should just
Order
long
filled.
pound yen.
Yeah, fuck it. Already scaled in and I moved the stop. It'll work so it doesn't.
It's the only two options you really got.
The other option would be not to scale in and let it retest the low.
Ah, okay. It looks like the beginning of Tokyo was much better than now. Everything's really slow.
Cable.
The Aussie dollar looks kinda bad. Dollar CAD hasn't tested the VWAP yet, so maybe it's gonna shoot over a little bit. Could have one or two limit orders there.
Order pending.
In commodities, Kazakhstan's energy minister says they may lose some 320,000 barrels per day of oil through April, and they're to count the output cut as part of the OPEC Plus compensation.
staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust, should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause
I'll be back in a sec.
don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was golden. You gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up in pride, but I'm waking up now.
Order filled.
I guess not.
Order filled.
I'm a little messed up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realize I wasn't there for
Euro
it,
dollar.
it didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold.
Ah, the euro went straight to the reverb. This is gonna go bad in a second.
'Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby.
That's way too much momentum.
Order filled.
It dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was golden. You gotta know, I was standing on the border.
I'm gonna close it when it makes a new low.
Be safe, I couldn't see that I
And that's it then for me. Down 3 for 3.
I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you.
The euro just went straight through.
Want you to know that I need you.
Dollar CAD.
Order filled.
Dollar index.
Regarding the yen, Japan's top currency diplomat discussed financial market developments, including dollar-yen moves, in a meeting with US Treasury's acting undersecretary.
Order filled.
The dollar CAD is bouncing off the VWAP pretty nicely.
Order filled.
Should have just short the dollar CAD, huh?
Order filled.
As we come to the end of the session, we'll recap what we've covered and look through the day ahead. So we saw that Russia is no longer demanding Ukraine to be quote-unquote denazified in its ceasefire talks, according to the FT, and a Kremlin spokesperson reiterated that they would only use nukes if there was a threat to the existence of the state. Then in Japan, the Bank of Japan policymakers saw a need to ease policy despite rising prices in summary, and Japan's Prime Minister Kishida orders measures to shield voters from energy cost impacts.
Euro-dollar.
Japan's jobless rate also fell in February. Australian retail sales slumped as well, suggesting good things for the first quarter growth. And then in America, Biden's budget calls for more defense spending and funds for Ukraine. Continuing on, the US
Order
Treasury
filled. Order
proposed
filled.
a top-up plan to enforce 15% global minimum corporate tax, and the US Senate passed the China competition bill to start talks with the House. Then, in Canada, BMO sees a 50 basis point Bank of Canada rate rises in April and June meetings. In Forex, Japan's yen was on the ropes as the Bank of Japan defended its 0.25% yield target, and traders are set for further Bank of Japan bond interventions. Then in commodities, oil
Order
fell on
filled.
the back of Ukraine peace talk hopes and China demand fears. In equities, world stock markets cast aside fears of rising interest rates, and specifically, Tesla adds $84 billion to its valuation on a stock split signal.
NASDAQ.
Then, for the day ahead, we'll be looking out for Germany's GfK consumer confidence, Spanish retail sales, UK mortgage approvals, and in the former speakers, ECB's DeCoz and Riksbank's Floden.
Cable.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dollar index.
Order filled.
Dollar index.
Order filled.
Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Aussie dollar. Nasdaq.
In equities, Citigroup raised the target price of Occidental to $72 from $40.
Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Dollar CAD.
Order filled. Stock filled.
Alright, I'm back. Decided to short euro pound. It's probably a dumb idea. Oh damn, cable, unlucky. Oh shit, cable. That's not good for euro pound. Oh, is it? No, it's not good. Oh, they're both below.
Yeah, but so is dollar CAD.
Oh, let's hope cable goes up because that'll be good for my euro pound.
Just shorting Aussie dollar, but I don't think this is actually gonna work.
I thought about that one before, and then I was like, no. I'm not sure about Aussie at the moment.
Very tight stop. 4.5 pips from the VWAP.
Yeah, it's nice and tight because it's compressed so much. Really just going real heavy on the short on euro pound, but that's going to backfire. I got a 5.5 pips stop.
Dollar CAD.
And euro pound bounced straight off of the 84 round number, so could go back down to the previous support, which would be 21 down. $9 CAD's above.
Could be a fake on dollar CAD. I hope not, because now I'm short on Aussie dollar and pound.
Oh, did you reverse, did you?
Yeah, I got stopped. I started to hedge it when it actually retested the VWAP from below, and I just got stopped out on the buys. Just now at this price where it is now.
Yep.
So I hope this is not gonna end up in a whipsaw.
Probably. Everything looks a bit like there's ranges, but they're really bad ranges. There's no structures and patterns being formed.
Dollar CAD.
Guess not. Looks like dollar CAD is gonna make the rules.
Aussie dollar.
Ah, shit.
What the fuck?
Oh no. Is it gonna go up again?
Yeah. Hey, Tuxman.
I mean, what the fuck? Good morning.
Oh, Tux, how you going, mate?
Looks like I'm gonna have a double loss now.
Hey, Tuxman. I mean, what?
Tux, how you going, mate?
There's a whole delay going on. Oh, I need to mute mine. All right. I had
Order
to
filled.
mute the YouTube. Am I still here?
Yep.
Yep.
Order filled.
Yeah, this looks like very much little whip. So I was thinking actually about shorting dollar CAD too, which is totally counterproductive. This looks like this is actually the one that's working out. So the index is going up. Gold is going.
You guys still here?
Nah, I'm gone.
Wait, what?
I'm here.
Huh. I see you, but I don't hear you.
Aussie dollar.
That's weird.
Oh, can you not hear me?
I can hear him.
Testing 1, 2, 3 for Tux.
Retest?
Yeah, I can hear you.
See you, but I don't hear you.
We can hear you. All of us can hear you.
And your volume up, all the way up.
It's interesting.
Market stopped again.
Dollar CAD seems to try. The US dollar too. Dollar index is kinda popping over the VWAP. This is very, very questionable right now.
On what? Looks like nothing moved.
I know, it's just my shitty internet connection.
Okay, Euro Pound is trying to retest the VWAP.
And dollar CAD is back below VWAP. This looks still pretty bad. I feel like I just sold the bottom.
Dollar index.
Someone's got to do it.
Yeah, somebody's gonna do it.
Test?
Works?
Yeah, I can hear you.
And I hear nothing.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Testing.
We
Works?
can hear you.
Dollar CAD.
She's live.
It's alive!
I added a new monitor and the monitor grabbed all my audio stuff. and there's no audio hooked onto the monitor, so I had to manually switch everything.
Oh yeah, I have that on my Intel NUC too. Every time I turn on the TV, it asks me, do you want to switch audio device? No, I don't.
It's pretty intrusive if you ask me.
The funny thing is, you only can click no, and if you do anything else, it's just gonna switch it for you.
Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar.
Ah, shit. This is, I should have shot a dollar CAD. This is like, it's gonna go straight up.
Gold is pushing up now.
Yeah, gold is pushing up too. Dollar CAD is going down. This looks really bad now.
I'm hoping for pound yen to go down to the next level.
Not with the US dollar moving down like this.
Of course, we don't trade hope, but, well, I trade hope.
Order filled.
What's that mean? I'm a professional hope trader.
I trade hope, I trade fumes, I trade anything.
Yesterday we traded goats.
Did you?
Look at dollar CAD that bounced right off the VWAP.
Yeah, Aussie dollar's back above too.
I don't be stubborn.
My euro pound bounced off the view up too. Maybe it's starting to go heavy. Heavy.
Order filled.
All set up to fail now.
And stopped out on Aussie dollar.
Oh wow.
Alright, I guess I'm done for today.
You mean you want to risk more?
It's a coded message.
Done for the day means all in. All in DAX. Actually, DAX has come up to the previous high.
I just wonder if pound yen's gonna go all the way back to the VWAP.
And then I'd probably just keep trending upwards and fuck more people over.
No, that I don't think so. Because to go upwards would be to keep all those guys hanging on. But keep me hanging. I think she's gonna dip way down, do a consolidation, and then go up again.
Yeah, probably.
Stop saying shit that makes sense.
Yeah, it's not how markets work anymore.
Aussie yen.
My euro pound has literally gone nowhere. This is not a good sign.
Yeah.
Dollar CAD.
All I want is a few hundred.
Look at the Aussie
profit.
dollar. It fucking stopped me out and went right back down. What the fuck?
Oh, that's rude.
Actually, you know what's really bad about this? It actually didn't stop me out. Closed manually.
Ah, that's the worst.
Wait. Wait until you see it.
Oh no. That would piss me off so much.
It could still go up. Just testing the VWAP from above. And dollar CAD is at the VWAP too. So
Dollar CAD.
it's just pure gambling what we're doing here.
Pretty much.
This could go straight up from here. It's actually good entry now on Aussie dollar now.
Aussie dollar.
Dollar CAD is holding the VWAP as well.
Order pending.
Anyhow, I'm gonna go get me some smoke. I will be back in 5 minutes.
Go easy. Oh, EURJPY's going down. Finally. Well, not down, it's just I'm in profit.
Wait, touchdown.
Chicken wing.
No way.
Oh no. Weird thing is all my messages on the server seem to be intact.
I thought you were gone forever.
That wasn't forever?
It felt like forever.
Yeah, I got a lot done. It was good. Now it's time to prove some of that.
Glad you're back.
Glad someone's glad. Thank you.
Not everyone's glad. Did Johnson tell you he was glad you were back?
I don't think I just popped in a few minutes ago. I don't know if he's around.
That's because he got so excited. He got so excited that you were here that he had to take a break. That's what happened.
Nice.
Pound yen.
He had to take a break. He passed out from excitement. That's exactly how it went down.
I'm trading gold and pound yen. What do you trade?
I was on pound yen, but I set my stop to break even, and I broke even.
A cool trick.
I set my stop to about 60 pips profit and got stopped out. And then I started re-entering because I still believe my theory.
Are you buying or selling?
I'm selling.
Are you selling? I bought and I was up a lot.
And now she's almost back to the VWAP.
Pound
I
yen.
just know that there was a lot of news with the yen.
And so what I'm looking for is a bounce of the VWAP to continue down.
And it's gonna drop eventually. Let's see.
There was an interesting comment made by the Bank of Japan yesterday, I think it was. And they were saying that they're not worried about a weak yen until the yen reaches 130, which I think was the dollar yen reaching 130.
Euro yen.
And you think that's interesting? Why?
Because it's interesting that a bank would give a figure like that. Like, to me, it feels like they've said it, so you're going to have people think, oh, it's going to keep going up to $1.30, so they start getting heaps more buyers in, and the big boys will start shorting it.
That is a good point.
Well, it's one thing. The other thing is just ignore what they said and trade what you just see.
I can't do that, I'm blind.
Because
You're blind.
you never know.
Well, not blind at the moment, after a few drinks later, maybe.
We're just under 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. German data due for release will lead with the GfK consumer confidence number for April. Team dropping to -14.5 from -8.1. The range of estimates go from -18 up to -9.9 for German consumer confidence. German import price data due as well for February. Month on month, seen rising 1.6% against their prior 4.3. and year on year seen at 27.2%, up from 26.9% prior.
I don't know. The moves that I capitalize do not need any bank to make an announcement to support.
Oh yeah, I was just talking like, no, that's a fundamental thing. I don't care about fundamentals. It was just an interesting comment that sort of stood out.
Well, yeah, if I'm going to be one of those guys that says, oh, I'm going to trade from here to here, and it's going to span 3 weeks based on some bank comment.
Yeah, if I was going to do that, I think I'd be trading with millions. And it wouldn't be my millions, it'd be a bank's millions.
But what fraction of the millions is the question. For me, I don't need a huge account to trade. I'm fine where I'm at. I hear all these guys that need a huge account. They need 200. These little guys, they need 200 and 500 grand accounts.
Yeah, why not? It's all percentages in the end.
These guys are making 40, 50 grand a month.
Probably not.
Clue. Yeah, probably not on that sort of size. They're probably trading a lot smaller.
No, let's say they kept it up for 3 years and they scaled up to $1 million. So if they're trading $1 million worth of, balance, you'd expect. I think the truth of the matter is these guys, they barely get their 100, 200 grand accounts and then they lose them really quick. And then 5 years later, they might get their shit together. That's what I think is really going on.
Alrighty. £100 definitely not the right one to be in. I'm struggling.
What, did you take £0 trade?
Yeah, I'm just short at the moment on it.
A few days ago, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Wait, no, yesterday was... Yeah, it was Sunday evening. I literally got stopped out 2 pips before it went into my direction.
Yeah, that sucks. I'm not the master doing that. Except I
Order
get stopped
filled.
out 0 pips. I got it right on my stop.
Did I check my Litecoin trade? Or did I forget about that? Oh, yeah. I'm down on Litecoin. Well, I don't really care about that because I have 2 trading accounts. One of them only has like $40 in it, and that's the only broker that lets me trade crypto, so I'm just kind of having fun with the $40 account.
What did you say? You're on a prop trader?
No, I have 2 accounts. I have my main account that has a lot more than $40, and then I have my $40 account that lets me trade crypto pairs. So I just trade. It's kind of just like whatever. It's like a gambling account, for me, basically. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can actually turn $40 into. Probably not.
And into nothing.
Yeah.
I saw a YouTube video where some guy turned a $10 account into $1,000 at the end in 1 month.
There's some, I don't know, I think he's Japanese, could be something else, some Asian, that turned, what was it, $10,000 account into like 3 million over like 2 years or something.
That's really good.
And then he got hired by a prop firm afterwards.
What was he actually? I feel like it's kind of like luck to turn 10 grand into 3 million so quickly.
Yeah, it's a legit, like he actually did it. It wasn't like a fake thing. I think it was, it was between 2 and 3 years. I don't know what his strategy or anything like that, but it was just
I studied him. He was doing a form of stock arbitrage.
Oh, okay. Oh, it was stocks also.
But he actually knew how to trade as well. But no, he discovered a certain thing with the stock.
Okay, just exploited it and it worked for him.
Yeah.
That's cool. It'd be nice to find an exploit. It's like cheat codes for the market.
Yeah, I'd like to. Yeah.
Just under 3 minutes away from German data, GfK consumer confidence seen falling to -14.5. Import prices for February seen at 1.6% on the month and 27.2% on the year.
Oh, Euro news. This is going to be good or bad? Fuck. Hopefully it's bad. I'd like Euro to drop. Oh, cables above or coming up to above. Maybe this short's a good idea.
Why can't they just leave the news out of trading?
Cable.
Because you need something to entertain yourself.
Is there Forex cheat codes?
Dollar index.
Yeah, it's called demo. Or you gotta go spend $10,000 on an algo. But be the one selling it, that's the cheat code, not the one buying it.
I do actually have a bot that works pretty well.
Yeah, I've got an algo I made ages ago, but it's a kamikaze bot.
1 minute.
I had this one bot and I forgot the name of it, and I think it was a free one, and in the end it was doing really well, but like it had so many positions open you could never tell if it was going to blow up.
Yeah, that's what mine does. Although I did put a few limits in it to try and limit the position sizes, but I don't actually have a proper risk management system for it. It doesn't really work with the strategy.
And this one was trading like you had to have it on a daily chart. It was funny.
Oh shit.
Ten seconds.
But I lost a lot of time with testing bot.
Oh, same. I did heaps of that.
-15.5 for German consumer confidence, -15.5 versus -14.5 expected. Import prices 1.3% on the month, 26.3% on the year, both lower than forecast.
Will the bots really work long term?
Depends how much you tweak it.
If you can run the bots, then you're already a good trader. And that's really how it works. So you can't, there are no black bots that just sit there and generate cash like everyone imagines.
I think the simplest way to look at bots is, range versus trend. If you can pick when something's going to range on, say, like your dailies or something like that, and you pick a range bot, you've got a really good opportunity, but you got to know when to switch it off. Same with the trends. If you can know when a trend's going to start, or you let the bot turn on at that point, but you can't really, I don't know, having one that works in all conditions, don't know.
Yeah, that's really the best of what you just described is about the best you can do. And knowing when to turn it
filled.
on. And of course, that means knowing when to cut the losses, the current losses.
Yeah, exactly.
Which I could probably go back to that old martingale one I had that was free, that would do really well for just a few days or almost a week or so. I could probably figure out how to run that thing correctly.
Martingale's awesome in ranges. Like, that's the thing, if you can find a range and you've got a good martingale bot, fuck, you can make a killing, but you can wipe yourself real quick too of it if you leave it go too long.
Pound yen.
Right, you just have to know when to cut it. And that's really the trick.
Yeah, it's no different to trading manually. You got to know when to cut it and take it.
European gas futures on the front foot this morning, up almost 6% at the open.
So thinking about closing this euro pound at break even just because it's not looking pretty.
Pound yen.
Oh no, there we go.
Well, pound yen touched the VWAP and she's
Euro-dollar.
threatening to continue down. Yay! I just realized I'm looking at the other VWAP.
No, fuck this, I'm out of it. Euro's doing too much volatility.
Russia is said to be hoping for quick progress in talks with Ukraine. That's TASS citing an unidentified official on the Russia-Ukraine talks. Russia hoping for quick progress in the talks. We'll try and confirm this morning, but last I heard yesterday, the talks were set to begin at around 8 AM London time in Istanbul.
What are the talks? Are they going to talk about what do you think they're going to talk about?
I wasn't even paying attention. I sort of ignore Morbo sometimes.
Russia and Ukraine are going to have a talk.
Ah,
And they're going to talk about
I have no idea.
You think they're going to kiss?
Maybe they'll slap each other.
Or are they going to slap each other? I bet
Just
they're
heads up
gonna.
as well, the Saudi energy minister currently speaking.
I don't care who's speaking. If I got invited to the Ukraine-Russian talk, the world would be a better place.
I feel like it's all just for show.
Cable, euro, yen.
It's all choreographed. Oh, euro pounds, yeah, back up. If it breaks up, I'll be very happy that I closed out.
The Bank of Japan offering to buy Japanese government bonds via the fixed rate method in the 5 to 10 year outright futures.
Dollar index.
What? What was I trying
Pound
to?
yen.
Oh, it just broke out of it. No. You, no. Oh. No, you go back up. Right now. Oh, it just broke out of there. It looked so beautiful, and now it's gonna again. No, you're not crack. Let me test something.
The Saudi energy minister warning that energy
I
supply
don't
risk
care
could impact
about
the
the
global
Saudi.
economy.
Oh, okay, that looks good. I'm okay with that now. Just had a little retest. That's okay. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Euro, yen. Pound,
Euro.
yen, dollar. Cable.
Chicken wings, were you screaming about pound yen?
So bad. No.
What were you screaming about? Pound yen going up?
Pound yen's going up. I'm not even in pound yen trade.
No, she looks like she's going down now, but we got the ranging condition on the left, so it's got once she breaks down through all of that, then we can say she's going down.
Canyon looks like it's been going down for the last year.
I'm in too many positions to open up another one. Oh, did I check my NASDAQ trade?
Oh no, I'm not advocating anything.
DAX looks like it wants to break higher.
UAE as well says energy security is a priority right now. Some countries are forgetting about the affordability of energy, and that's why OPEC Plus partners are trying to maintain order and bring resources to market at a pace reasonable for us.
Oh, thank God for the UAE.
Nice NASDAQ shot up. I'm big in profit on NASDAQ. That's really nice.
Pound yen. Cable.
That's up. Good. Euro Aussie, just broke out a little bit, but didn't want to stay for long, and oh my god. That's a retest though, so I think that's okay. Here, I'll actually share my idea in the trading.
I haven't traded Euro Aussie in quite a long time.
I'm currently trading it.
Hello guys.
Hey there, what's your name?
Cap.
Your Cap.
Yep.
Cause he's capping.
Always.
So how you doing, man? What are you trading?
I'm good. How are you?
Alright. What are you trading?
I just opted out of a GJ trade. 10 pips.
Euro yen.
I'm waiting for London Open. What are you trading?
Shorting GJ and longing gold.
Now?
Euro dollar.
Yeah.
Isn't that illegal?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's illegal. I posted my trade in trading room.
Yeah, I didn't post my trade today. I could post my trade, but I don't want to.
There we go, now it's shooting off.
Aussie yen.
The Saudi energy minister says Russia produces roughly 10 million barrels a day, which is almost 10% of the world's consumption, so it is a sizable contribution.
Now it should go up and give me what I want. Probably not. It's terrible. Everything's terrible.
Cable.
I wanna go do something.
Okay, I'll post my trade. There, I posted it just for you.
Yeah, no, I'm not taking this trade. I can't.
Yada yada.